In Andros, we have talented people here. And we have a handmade batik factory here that everybody wants to see. Androsia is the only hand batik in the Bahamas. Batiking is something that we put on a piece of fabric through stamping the actual sponge onto the fabric to create that bold design. No piece of Androsia is alike. We have our special design that you will find on our fabric, which is unique. We look at nature, we look at the sun, we look at the leaves. Anything can create a design when it comes here to Androsia. Whether it be a crawling lizard, a dolphin, hummingbird, something unique to the island. Every day we have tourists come in wanting to do a batik lesson, or they just want a simple tour of the factory. When they leave, they're very pleased with what they see and they get to shop. And so when you're wearing a piece of Androsia, you should be smiling because of the vibrant color and the bold design. Androsia is a piece of fabric that you want to wear.